This is the complete guide to Google Gemini, the AI assistant built into every major Google product you already use and powered by the most capable model Google has ever built. By the end of this video you will know every Gemini feature, how Gemini works inside Google Workspace, how to build your own custom gem, how deep research works and why it changes how you do research, which model to use for which task, how Gemini compares to ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity, every pricing plan, and the real workflows professionals are running with Gemini right now. Let us get into it. Google Gemini is Google's flagship AI assistant, launched in December 2023 as a replacement for Google Bard. The Gemini model family has multiple tiers for different use cases. Gemini 2.0 Flash is the fast, efficient model that powers the free tier and handles most everyday tasks extremely well. Gemini 2.5 Pro is Google's most capable model, with a 1 million token context window, meaning it can process entire codebases, books, or document collections in a single session. Gemini 2.5 Flash Thinking is a reasoning model that works through complex problems step by step before giving an answer, similar to OpenAI's O-series models. Gemini is natively multimodal from the ground up, understanding text, images, audio, video, and code without plugins or add-ons. It is built directly into Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive, Meet, Google Search, Chrome, and Android. And through extensions, Gemini connects to your live Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Maps, and YouTube data in real time, not just its training data. Let me walk through every major Gemini feature. Deep Research, a multi-step research agent that searches the web extensively, reads dozens of sources, reasons across them, and produces a structured, cited research report in minutes. GEMS, build your own custom AI assistant with a specific role, a defined set of instructions, and an optional knowledge base. Gemini Live, a real-time voice and video conversation with the AI. You can show it your camera, your screen, or your surroundings and have a spoken back-and-forth conversation about what it sees. Canvas, a collaborative workspace where Gemini writes, edits code, and iterates on documents alongside you in a side-by-side interface. Extensions, real-time connections to your live Gmail, Drive, Calendar, YouTube history, and Maps so Gemini answers from your actual data. Imagen 3, Google's image generation model built directly into Gemini Advanced. Notebook LM, upload documents, PDFs, or links in Gemini analyses the content and answers questions from it. And Google AI Studio gives developers free API access to all Gemini models. Gemini is embedded inside every major Google Workspace app. In Gmail, summarize long email threads in one click, draft replies that match your tone, search your inbox with natural language, and get a briefing of your most important emails. In Google Docs, write new content, rewrite existing sections, summarize long documents, and proofread, all without leaving the document. In Google Sheets, generate formulas from plain English descriptions, analyze datasets, and create charts by describing what you want to see. In Google Slides, generate an entire slide deck from an outline, add speaker notes, and reformat layouts automatically. In Drive, search across all your files with natural language and get summaries of documents without opening them. In Google Meet, live captions, real-time translated captions in multiple languages, post-meeting summaries, and extracted action items. In Google Chat, the Gemini bot is available as a direct message for questions and task assistance inside team conversations. And in Calendar, schedule meetings, get pre-meeting briefings, and manage your schedule with natural language. Here is how to get started with Gemini from scratch. Step 1. Go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Free account, Gemini 2.0 Flash included, no card required. Step 2. Type your first message and try a task you already do regularly at work. Draft an email, summarize a document, or research a topic you know well so you can immediately evaluate the quality of the response. Step 3. Turn on extensions to connect Gemini to your live Google data. Go to Settings, then Extensions, and enable Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. Step 4. Try a prompt that uses your live data through extensions. Ask Gemini to summarize the emails you received today from your team. The response will pull from your actual inbox in real time. Step 5. Try deep research on a topic you are currently working on. click Deep Research, describe your research question, and let it run for 2 to 5 minutes. Review the structured report it produces. Step 6. Open Gemini inside a Google Workspace app. Look for the Gemini icon or the Ask Gemini sidebar in Gmail, Docs, or Sheets. Step 7. Build your first gem for a task you do every week. Click Gems, create a new gem, give it a specific role, write your instructions, and give it a name. Here is how to build your own gem inside Gemini. Step 1. Open Gemini and click Gem Manager in the left sidebar. The Gem Manager shows your existing gems and the option to create new ones. Step 2. Click New Gem and give it a clear, descriptive name. Name it after the task it performs, like Weekly Report Writer or Email Tone Editor, so you always know which gem to open. Step 3. Write the system instructions for your gem. Describe its role in detail, what it does, how it should respond, and what it should avoid. The more specific the instructions, the more consistent the output. Step 4. Add knowledge files the gem should always reference. Upload PDFs, style guides, brand documents, or any reference material the gem needs to do its job well. Step 5. Set the gem's tone and response format. Concise or detailed, bullet points or prose, formal or casual. Step 6. Test the gem with real prompts from your actual workflow. Use the prompts you would genuinely send to it and refine the instructions based on what the output looks like. Step 7. Save and pin the gem to your sidebar. It is now a one-click specialist for that recurring task, available every time you open Gemini. Deep Research is the Gemini feature that most people do not know about and that delivers the most dramatic time saving when they discover it. When you click Deep Research and submit a question, Gemini does not just search Google once. It runs a multi-step research plan, searches the web extensively, reads through dozens of sources, reasons across them to identify patterns and contradictions, and produces a structured, cited research report. The whole process takes 2 to 5 minutes and replaces what would otherwise take hours of manual research. The best use cases are competitive research, where you want a complete picture of a competitor's pricing, positioning, and reviews. Market research, where you need to understand a segment, trends, and key players. Decision support, where you are comparing options before a major purchase or business choice. And academic or professional topic overviews where cited sources matter. The practical tip: be specific with your question. A multi-part, specific question produces a much better structured report than a broad one-line query. And when the report is ready, export it to a Google Doc in one click for sharing, editing, and further annotation. Gemini Live is the real-time voice and video conversation capability that makes Gemini feel like a genuinely interactive assistant rather than a chatbot. You speak naturally and Gemini responds immediately without a text interface. In camera mode, you point your phone camera at anything, an object, a document, a piece of code on a screen, and Gemini sees it and responds to questions about what it is looking at. Screen sharing lets you share your computer screen with Gemini during a conversation so it can help you with exactly what you are working on. You can interrupt at any time and Gemini adjusts mid-response, making the conversation feel natural rather than turn-based. Gemini Live is available on Android and iOS and can also be accessed from the web interface. The most useful professional applications are coding help while looking at your screen, walking through a problem in real time, learning a new topic through conversation, and language practice in any language Gemini supports. Full Gemini Live capabilities require Google One AI Premium. Gemini has multiple models and knowing which to use for which task saves time and gets better results. Gemini 2.0 Flash is the default model on the free tier. It is fast, efficient, and handles the vast majority of everyday tasks well. Use it for emails, summaries, quick questions, drafting, and brainstorming. Gemini 2.5 Flash is the faster version of the 2.5 generation, offering a good balance of speed and the upgraded capability of the 2.5 family. Gemini 2.5 Pro is Google's most capable model. Use it when you need complex code generation, deep document analysis, long context processing across large files, or the highest quality reasoning. The 1 million token context window means you can feed it entire codebases or book-length documents in a single session. Gemini 2.5 Flash Thinking is the reasoning model. It works through problems step by step before giving an answer. Use it for hard mathematics, formal logic, complex multi-step reasoning, and any task where showing the work matters. And Gemini Nano runs on-device on Pixel phones for offline use cases where privacy or connectivity is a concern. Who is Gemini built for? The highest value users are Google Workspace users, because Gemini is embedded in every app they already use every day. Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive all have Gemini built in on paid plans. Researchers and analysts use deep research to synthesize sources in Gemini 2.5 Pro to process long documents and datasets. Developers use the 1 million token context window in Gemini 2.5 Pro to process and reason across entire codebases. Writers and content teams use Gemini and Docs to draft, edit, and rewrite content without leaving their working document. Students use Gemini for research support, essay structuring, and understanding complex academic topics through conversation. Sales and marketing teams run competitive research with deep research and use Gemini to personalize outreach and analyze market positioning. And executives and managers use Gemini and Meet for meeting summaries and in Gmail for inbox briefings and draft review. Here is what professionals are actually doing with Gemini right now. An analyst runs deep research on a market segment and gets a cited, 20-page structured report in 4 minutes. A developer pastes an entire codebase into Gemini 2.5 Pro and asks for a full architectural audit across all the files at once. A sales rep uses Gmail Gemini to draft personalized follow-up emails after every sales call, reducing post-call writing time to under a minute. A manager gets a pre-meeting briefing from Gemini before every important call, pulling context from their calendar, Gmail, and Drive data via extensions. A writer uses Gemini and Google Docs to draft, edit, and proof an entire article without switching to any other tool. A student builds a gem that acts as a Socratic tutor for exam revision, asking questions rather than giving answers. An executive uses Gemini Live on their phone to verbally walk through a board presentation and get feedback on their messaging. And a team uses Google Meet's Gemini summaries so every absent member is fully aligned within 2 minutes of the meeting ending. Here is the honest comparison. Versus ChatGPT, Gemini is deeply integrated into the Google ecosystem that most professionals already use every day. ChatGPT has a richer plugin library, DALL-E image generation, and a larger GPT store for custom assistants. Versus Claude, Gemini has native Google Workspace integration and the deep research agent. Claude is widely considered to have superior writing quality and more consistent long-form reasoning. Versus Microsoft Copilot, Gemini has a stronger free tier and deep research. Copilot is more deeply embedded inside Microsoft 365 and Teams for organizations already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Versus Perplexity, Gemini covers more ground with Gems, Live, Workspace, and a much broader general capability. Perplexity is faster for quick web-sourced factual answers. Versus Google Search AI Overviews, Gemini offers a full conversational experience with Workspace integration. Search AI Overviews are faster for quick single-answer factual queries. Versus Notebook LM, Gemini has far broader general AI capability. Notebook LM is more focused and more precise for deep document question and answer. The honest summary, Gemini is the best choice for anyone deep in the Google ecosystem, for long context tasks, and for multi-step research. 8 tips that consistently produce better output from Gemini. 1. Enable extensions before doing any task that touches your real data. With extensions on, Gemini answers from your actual Gmail, Drive, and calendar, not just its training knowledge. 2. For deep research, write a specific multi-part question. Broad one-line queries produce generic reports. Specific questions produce structured, genuinely useful research. 3. Switch models deliberately. Use Gemini 2.0 Flash for fast everyday tasks and only switch to 2.5 Pro when you need depth, long context, or complex reasoning. 4. Build gems for every recurring task this week. A gem with detailed instructions consistently outperforms a cold prompt. 5. Use Canvas for writing and coding work. It keeps your iteration history and lets you go back to previous versions, which is much faster than copy-pasting between Gemini and a document. 6. When starting a new document in Docs, ask Gemini to draft the structure first. Outline, then fill in each section. Much faster than starting from a blank page. 7. Always export deep research reports to Google Docs immediately. Add your notes while the context is fresh. 8. Switch to Flash thinking for any problem that requires showing the work. Maths, formal logic, and step-by-step plans all benefit significantly. Google Gemini pricing. The free plan includes Gemini 2.0 Flash, live web search, gems, and extensions. It is a genuinely capable free tier that covers most everyday AI tasks well. Google One AI Premium is $19.99 per month. It includes Gemini Advanced with Gemini 2.5 Pro, full deep research access, Gemini Live, Imagen 3 image generation, and 2 terabytes of Google One storage. This is the plan for individuals who want the most capable Gemini model and full access to every feature. Google Workspace Business Starter is $14 per user per month and includes Gemini built into Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, and Drive. For teams already using Google Workspace, this is the most cost-effective way to get AI inside every app they use daily. Enterprise pricing is custom and includes advanced admin controls, compliance features, full Gemini API access, and dedicated support. My recommendation: start free to learn the platform. Upgrade to AI Premium when you need 2.5 Pro and deep research regularly. Add Workspace Business when your team needs Gemini inside Docs and Gmail. Here is everything you need. Start at gemini.google.com free account, Gemini 2.0 Flash, gems, extensions, no card required. Upgrade to AI Premium at $19.99 per month for Gemini 2.5 Pro, Deep Research, and Gemini Live. Available at one.google.com/about/AI Premium. For your team inside Workspace, visit workspace.google.com/pricing. If you are a developer, Google AI Studio at istudio.google.com gives you free API access to all Gemini models. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you understand what Gemini can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go enable your extensions and try deep research. See you in the next one.